Alpha 1, red right hand. Let's go. The striker's one of my favorite weapons, along with the KSG. You savage beast. Oh, okay. Swordman. No, who let Swordman in? How am I still full health? Swordman. Okay, this is why. Okay, so remember my camping video? This is also a reason why you should not camp, because you die in an elevator. Oh, okay, who is spamming the elevator right now? Okay, nope, no. Okay, got this dead person right here. Okay, stop spamming! Okay, see, no, you guys can go in. See, no evil and stuff like that. Okay, now we could actually... Come on. Okay, who the heck is actually... Okay, that was bad. I'm probably gonna start a series of SCP rbreach, and then the title of this video is gonna be like, why you should not spam the elevator. KSG. No, the strikers are right, but the KSG has like more bullets, man. Okay, let's go check out heavy containment. Okay, yep, that's weird. That's suspicious. Yep. Okay, okay, this hammered down troop just gave me a heart attack right now. Oh, yeah, no, I do not like this. There's gunshots. Okay, come on, homie. You gotta rescue the council, or what's left of the council. Eek. Okay, heavy containment should be... Oh, yeah, heavy containment. Here, one hole. Yo, there's a dude across. Okay, phew. Okay. Oh no, that's mask. No, that's the mask. He got a shot. No, he got a LMG. Yo. No, smoke round. Noob tube. No. Oh my god, you just... Oh no. I do not like this. No, I do not like this. Okay, I gotta fire KSG in his face. Yep, close the door, guys. Just close the freaking door. Okay, who decided to frag the door open? Oh god, I'm low. Yo, gunshots, man, gunshots. Okay, yep, I obviously died. Like, he has too much health. Oh, MTF1. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Yeah, just gonna wait. Starting. Let's do this. Yes, security guard. Security guard. Everyone loves security guards, man. Everyone loves security guards. They kill Class D and stuff like that. Everyone loves them. Security guards for life. /E free. Okay. 20 seconds until the SCP spawns. Let's go. Come on. Okay, yep, the SCP spawned. There's no point. There's actually no point. One of these, I think. Yeah, let's go. Long room. Let's go, security guards. Really gotta fix. Oh, did people not? Seriously, did people not go here? Like, oh no, fireman. I think the fireman's here, guys. The fireman. Oh, yep, the fireman. Shut the doors. Yo, the fireman's coming. Yo, the fireman. Hey, bro. Want to lock out the fire? Don't be rude. Don't be rude, bro. Okay, yep, the fireman is coming. So, okay, no, this is Glasses room. No, this is Glasses. Oh no, fire. Yeah, no firemen. Hey, Class D, hey. Hostile Class D, hostile D class. Oh, come on. He fragged me. Come on. He fragged me. Chaos would have spawned. I would have just threw that grenade at them, man. I knew chaos would spawn. Yeah, gate B. Oh, they're spawn camping at gate B. Well, I have to get better weapons first. Open the door that way. Open up that door. Uh-oh, yep, the chaos and security are clashing right now. Epic sad. Oh, hey guys. Don't. Oh, fireman! Fireman! No! Why would you do that? Idiot forgot me. Okay, well, the fireman almost killed me. Let's go, guys. Okay, I think 096 is here, or somebody threw a grenade in the wrong place. For Class D personnel. Oh yeah, Class D, that's nice. Hey, I'm here to rescue you. Hey yo. Hey yo, I'm Luke Skywalker. I'm here to rescue you. Okay, let's go. Hey! No, that does not. Oh, I killed the senior guard. Okay. He died for some reason. Oh yeah, just what I was looking for. In center. Let's nuke the map. Let's nuke the map. We have to nuke the map, guys. We have to nuke the map. We have to nuke the map. Come on. We have to nuke the map. We have no choice but to nuke the map. The map's gonna get nuked. Hey, Class D. Come on, Class D. D class. Whatever the heck you're called. We gotta head out of here and nuke this space. I don't like this music. It's getting creepy. I want to shoot something. MTF is gonna spawn. I don't like this. I gotta get to the nuclear button quick. Okay, some dudes are clashing over there. Okay, nope, not facing them. Nope. Come on, quick save. We gotta blow up this space, okay? We have to have something good happen. Let's do it. Yes, we nuked it. Let's go. Okay, MTF has spawned. I nuked it. What the heck? Yes. What's wrong with nuking? Oh no! Yeah, eat fire! Oh, I got smoked. Guys. I got smoked. Hold on. Get one more game and then I might end the video. Yes, red right handle. Red right handle. Let's go. Red right handle. Hey, stop shooting me. Open up that door. Oh, that's depressing. Guys, don't steal his loot, man. Don't steal his loot. No shotguns. Sad. Sad monkey. I am sad monkey. Gunshots, gunshots, gunshots. Oh, yo, someone's near me. Yo, 966, man. Okay, who is sleep killing? We literally need to see no evil. Oh, yo! Eat fire, moron! Okay, no fire. Oh, okay, no. Oh no, swordman! No swordman! Stop! 966! No! Oh! Yes, finally I'm a 610. Yes. Infect him. Oh. Oh yes, Shy Guy, you're our favorite SCP. Hey. Oh, yo, we have a whole fleet. Yo, we have a whole fleet. Okay, yep, everyone's ready. Well, we have our door opener here today. He's the door opener. Okay, more MTF are about to spawn, boys. We gotta infect them all. Oh yes. Yes, elevator camp. Let's go! No, Beta 7! No, the worst one! Beta 7! No one likes you, Beta 7. No one likes you. Beta 7, no one likes you. Come on. Okay, no. Should we go? Maybe not. Oh. We shall gather more prey. go. I like the 610 farm that we have going on here. I like this 610 farm. I really love this SCP 610 farm. I really need more 610s, man. Oh, we might actually get a win. Since I am annoying, I'm just gonna go spawn kill them. Yeah, spawn kill. Well, yep, MCF wins. Yep.